Wow! Yes, good evening guys. Today is day 20 and it is all about replanning. As for me, I stick pa rin tayo sa plan ko nandun na kahapon sa video na gusto ko talagang makadala ng ibang tao na mai-inspire, na matutulungan. And guys, grabe, sobrang laking tulong na binigay sa akin ng seminar ni Sir MJ, grabe. The internal, sobrang laking tulong. Dating walang pangarap, ngayon nangangarap ng sobra. And guys, I want to share it to you. If you are a student na gusto ring makatulong sa parents, gusto ring magbago yung buhay, gusto rin ng personal development, and willing makatulong sa ibang tao, kagaya ko. So, and lang guys, feel free to comment or message me directly so I can serve you the best that I can, and we will serve them the best that we can. So yun lang guys, thank you so much for watching. Kung na-appreciate mo yung video na to or nag-stay ka pa rin hanggang dulo, feel free to comment. Huwag kang mahiya guys, ganun din ako. So yun lang guys, see you soon.